Okay, the difference between least common multiple and the greatest common factor is the multiple is more like a product, and a factor is what makes up a product. So you have a factor times a factor equals a product, and the multiple is more like a product. So when you find the least common multiple, you're really looking at products of a number. So the old way we used to do it was we used to write the number down and make up a little chart like this, 21. Let me fix this. Okay, and then we would write down the products of this number. So in order, 6 times 1 is 6, 12. 6 times 3, 18. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 9 is 54. And 6 times 10 is 60. I usually stop at 10, but sometimes you have to go further than that. And 6 times 1 is 21. 6 times 2 is 42. Well, we could stop there. We have a match. So the least common multiple of two numbers is the smallest number, not 0, that is a multiple of both. So 42 is a multiple, the smallest multiple of 6 and 21. So the answer to number 11 is 42. Another way that we learn to solve this is using prime factorization, where you write the two numbers down, 6 and 21, and you factor them out until you get them into their prime. So 2 and 3. 2 is as small as it can go, and 3 is as small as it can go, so we circle them. 7 times 3 is 21, and they are both as small as they can go, so we could circle them. Now, when you're finding the least common multiple, you take the one that you see the most. So it's 2. We see 3 once, so we'll write that down, and we see 7 once. So each of them, the most we see them is once. So then you can multiply them. 2 times 3 is 6. And then, so we multiply 2 times 3 is 6. Now we're going to multiply 6 times 7. And 6 times 7 is 42. So the LCM again, another way to do it is using prime factorization, and we got the same answer, 42.